In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Danske Bank Mobile Banking. Getting started with your mobile banking app can make managing your finances as easy as a few taps on your phone. And today I'm going to walk you through the login process step by step. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is locate and open the Danske Bank Mobile Banking app on your smartphone. If you haven't already downloaded the app, make sure to do so from your device's app store. For folks using iOS, that's the App Store. And for those on Android, you'll find it on Google Play. Once the app is downloaded and installed, go ahead and tap on the app to open it. At this stage, you should see the login screen. Now, here's where you'll need to enter your user ID followed by your passcode. Your user ID is a unique identification number provided by Danske Bank when you first set up your account, so make sure you have it handy. If you've forgotten your user ID or passcode, there are usually options on the screen to recover or reset them. Just follow the prompts provided by the app for assistance. After entering your user ID, you'll type in your passcode. This is an added layer of security, ensuring that only you can access your account details. Make sure your passcode isn't easily guessable. Avoid using simple numbers or birth dates. With your user ID and passcode successfully entered, you'll proceed to press the login or sign in button. This action will prompt the app to begin logging you in. Now, all that's left to do is wait a moment for the app to load. Depending on your internet connection, this should only take a few seconds. And there you have it. Once the app finishes loading, you'll have access to all your banking information right at your fingertips. From here, you can check your account balance, review transactions, transfer funds, and perform many other banking activities from the comfort of your phone. The Danske Bank app is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, helping you manage your finances without any hassle. Remember, keeping your login credentials secure is crucial for protecting your account. Always keep your user ID and passcode confidential, and consider changing your passcode regularly for added security. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Danske Bank's customer support for help. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident using your mobile banking app. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!